What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the finesse guy, Iggity Diggity, J Diggy 92, coming back at y'all with clearly another motherfucking unboxing. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe for me, all that good stuff. And without further ado, delay, let's get straight into it, man. So today we got 3 packs. This big one in the back is coming from the homies over at ASOS. And these 2 right here is coming from Lids. Now, as we open these first 2, due to my lock situation, I haven't really been able to wear like all my old hats and stuff like that. I'm a hat person. I love hats. My hat collection was huge at one point, but since I started growing my hair, I kind of just stopped wearing them because they didn't fit. But now that I've realized I can wear hats again, best believe this hat collection finna be booming again. So this first one is extremely dope. I really like this one. It's just an all over brown LA jump. This shit is clean as hell. It's just brown, like a goldish, like melanated brown, and then like little hits of red on it or whatever. I really like this. I think it's dope as hell. I wear a size 8 now, just because, like I said, I have hair and everything else like that. When I didn't, I wore like 7 3/8, 3/4, I forgot. It's like 7 3/8, I think. So that's the first hat, man. I might do a hat collection vid. If y'all want that, just let me know. I'll definitely be glad to do that, because like I said, I have a lot of shit that just I can't wear it, because like snapbacks don't fit me now, and if I wear them, it's gonna look like 2 Chainz when he be leaving them shits like unbuttoned in the back and just be sitting on top of his head. I think that shit looks stupid, so I ain't finna do it. Alright, so this next hat, right? One of my favorite teams, if you know me or you've been on this channel for a while, you know this is one of my favorite NBA teams. So I'm a Kyrie fan, but this is a team I will always rock with, Chicago Bulls. Shouts out to Alonzo, motherfucking DeMar DeRozan over that bitch, and what's the other homie that came from I forget his name. Zach LaVine, yeah. So I've seen him in person. I've seen D Rose play in person. I've seen a lot of Bulls games, so I'm definitely like a huge Bulls fan. So I had to cop one, especially since I can wear hats again. Like, this was mandatory. Like, damn, puberty. Like, this was mandatory. Chicago Bulls on the front. There's some Bulls insignia and logos on the other side, and then on the back it says 75. The diamond. So I'm pretty sure this is like the 75th anniversary collection. So these are the 2 hat pickups, man. Like I said, we definitely trying to grow this collection. I didn't get to show y'all, but I did pick up the all green Fear of God hat. I forgot to do an unboxing on it. I just wanted to open it, and I didn't have a lot of like stuff to open, so I didn't just want to open one hat. But so I have that hat as well. And so it's just growing. The collection is definitely growing. You know what I'm saying? All right, so ASOS, we picked up 2 things, and I really like them. So this first one, I've been into like the Geo print, Aztec print, or whatnot. So I picked up this all over Aztec. I guess you can call it flannel overshirt or whatever. Like, this is the whole print throughout. Nice pockets on the outside and everything. Like, this is fire. The inside, like, it's that swishy like track jacket material. So I think this definitely gonna keep me warm. I'm not really worried about that too much. So yeah, this joint is fire. I don't have a fit for it yet, which is a surprise. But hey, man, y'all know me. I'm the finesse god. I'm gonna finesse some shit. All right, so this last piece that we about to open, I really want it, and I'm probably gonna have to fight Savage Beauty, because she probably gonna try to steal this shit. And if she do, I'm not the type to where you can just take my hoodies and shit. Like, nigga, you gonna have to win this hoodie. So that being said, we got another one from probably my favorite brand over at ASOS. And this, let me pull it out right here. It's actual brand, and this all like Sherpa hoodie, to where it's navy blue, green, and red. Like the New Balance 5740s that I own, I feel like we'll go crazy with this. Like, this hoodie is dope. Like, the actual material itself is not really soft, but the inside isn't Sherpa. It's like a all over like nylon feel, to where it's like stitched, the woven fabric or whatever. So I think this is definitely dope. It's definitely gonna keep me warm. And Actual is probably my favorite brand to shop for on ASOS. So that's our 2 pickups, man. Like I said, we trying to rebuild the hat collection, so be on the lookout. Expect to see more hats unboxed and everything else like that, especially if I find deals and steals on them. Hopefully I can just find stuff that's in my size. But yeah, man, this has been your boy Finesse Guy Iggy Diggy, man. Y'all, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all check out all the other content. And yeah, man, I love y'all. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.